I found this PlayStation 1 on the flea market, but I still don't know if it works, because I don't have a cable to test it with. In this video I will show you how you can test a PlayStation 1 if you don't have the original cable. This is the connector where the cable should be connected. And in this picture on the left you can see what each pin is used for. In my case, I want to get a video signal to my TV. I need two wires. I will connect the first wire to pin 6 and the second to the metal part of the connector. The metal part of the connector is ground. To connect the wires, we can use small pieces of wood. With them I clamp the wires in the connector. Do this very carefully. You don't want to break the connector. The pieces of wood need to be cut to just the right size to fit into the connector without too much effort. On the TV, you need to connect the video signal in the center of the connector and the ground on the outside. And that's it, we have a picture. You can do the same thing with the audio. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to support my channel and my videos, you can do it in Patreon. I will put a link in the description. Also, you can check my Etsy shop and my eBay shop. Thank you very much for watching.